All right, we're getting ready to disassemble this one so we can make a nice, usable truck.
See that?
Oh, thing is so big it's lifting the forklift. All right, tailgate off. I mean, bed off. Twist. Already looks better. You can see the frame, how it's just really bad. In the shop, I can prep this cab to come off the frame. After some work, with the cab off the frame, so big. You can see how bent that rear part of the frame is. But this thing is clean. 60,000 miles on this one. So a lot of good stuff still. We're gonna use all these tanks, the whole drivetrain, all the harnesses, I mean everything. Got the tanks and the new frame, fuel pump, DF, harnesses, filter, computer. Getting ready to pull this whole drivetrain out and swap it right into our new frame. As you can see, all the harness is gone, you know, everything's been pulled. So from here straight into there. Let's see how this goes. Have to go that way a little bit. Yep. Whoa, 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 we're slipping.
How are we out of there?
Yeah, we look okay.
How is that like?
Looks fine. Holy shit. All right, got the motor swapped over. What a pain in the butt, but it's in there. It's starting to come back together. See the old frame starting more Looking more like a skeleton than anything. Alright, getting ready to remove this rear axle.
Now lift up.
See how this goes. Separated. Now to do the next one. You can roll her right in. Alright, rolling the 37s under the new frame. Wow. Look at the difference.
Got a good frame.
Alright, we're going to tighten her up. Tailpipe installed. We got the delete pipe on order, so that'll be here soon. Rear axle's all the way installed, so it's doohickey. But yeah, look at this drive shaft's going in. Getting close. Getting real close.
Go back now,
All right, the whole front end. Freaking bare frame. Wow. Yep, bare frame. Start prepping this front end so we can get the entire front diff and all the accessories and lift stuff swapped over. So I'll set it up on a time lapse and see how this goes.